Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to delete a user in Wrike. Let's say you want to delete a particular user in Wrike. How do you do it? You just follow the simple steps I'm going to give to you. Step 1, access the user management. Access the user management. How? Click on the profile picture in the upper left corner of the Wrike workspace. Then select settings from the drop down menu and in the left hand panel click on users. Next, you have to find the user you want to delete in the list of users. Then click on the delete user button next to the user's name. You'll be prompted to confirm deletion, so confirm it. You may also have the option to transfer deleted users' tasks, folders, and other data to another user within the account. You can take that too. That's all it takes. Now, it is very important for you to note that only account administrators have the permission to delete users. And also, always carefully consider transferring deleted user data to another user to avoid data loss. Also, deleting a user is generally an irreversible action. So once a user is deleted, he or she is deleted totally. It is irreversible. So that's it. Now, the specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Wrike plan and the current version of the Wrike interface. So always refer to the official Wrike Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.